being able to take part in co-op is an amazing opportunity, and just seeing all the things that you're learning in class just out in the real world, and be like kind of recalling back on your knowledge and being like, oh, I remember learning this. Hi, I'm Alexis. I'm in the Bachelor of Power Systems Engineering here at Conestoga. I think one thing that makes Conestoga unique is the way that they kind of integrate it, at least in my program, the year of co-op experience into the 4-year degree. So it only really takes you about 4 and a bit years to get your 4-year degree plus a whole year of co-op experience. Our classroom environment is very learning focused, so it's designed to kind of help everyone be able to learn in a way that suits them best. You're not feeling like just a number, but you feel like you're like one of the students and that you actually like really matter and your voice will be heard. There's so many opportunities opening up, and they kind of try to make things really inclusive, and there's so many opportunities within your program and within other programs. I know there's certain clubs at Conestoga. I've recently joined an engineering club, and they're just kind of focused to relate to your interests as well. They always kind of open up, like if anyone wanted to start a new club, there's so many opportunities for you to get involved. Learning all of these things, just, it's like seeing your goals coming closer, like you're reaching, and you're just getting close to reaching all the things that you've been working for years. And it's really exciting to see, and it definitely feels very satisfying, and you feel so accomplished at the end of a semester, at the end of the term, at the end of the year, just to think about everything that you've learned and all the things that you did is amazing.